Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a new pickup location on Amazon. This is incredibly useful if you prefer collecting your packages from a secure location rather than having them delivered to your home, or if you want the flexibility to pick up orders at your convenience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be on the Amazon homepage ready to make changes to your account settings. Now, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account page where you can manage everything from orders to payment methods. Next, click on your addresses. This section stores all the addresses you've saved to your Amazon account, whether they're home addresses, work locations, or pickup points. It's the central hub for managing where your packages get sent. Once you're in the addresses section, click on Add Address. This opens up a form where you can typically enter a new home or business address. However, we're going to use this to find a pickup location instead. At the top of the form, you'll notice an option that says, or find an Amazon pickup location near you. Click on that. This switches the form over to a search tool specifically designed to help you locate nearby Amazon lockers or pickup points in your area. You'll now see a search bar appear. In this search bar, type in your address, zip code, or a nearby landmark to help Amazon find the closest pickup locations. Once you've entered your information, press Enter to run the search. Amazon will scan for available pickup points in your vicinity. After the search completes, you'll see a list of results showing various pickup locations near you. Browse through these options and select the one that's most convenient for you. Once you've made your choice, click Add to Address Book. This saves the pickup location to your account so you can use it for future orders without having to search again. If you plan to use this pickup location frequently, you might want to make it your default address. To do that, simply click Set as Default. This ensures that whenever you place an order, Amazon automatically suggests this pickup location as your delivery option. And that's it. You've successfully added a new pickup location to your Amazon account, giving you more control and flexibility over how and where you receive your packages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.